Good morning, students. Welcome to MachelBuddy.com. Hope you are all fine. Stay home, stay safe. This is Mrs. Arunjoti, School Assistant Social Studies from ZPHS Ramantapur, Machel District. Students, in continuation with our lesson population, today we shall discuss about changing population size. Population is dynamic. The numbers, distribution, and composition of the population are always changing. This is because of the interaction of three processes: birth, deaths, and the migrations. Population growth refers to the change in the number of inhabitants of a country or territory during a specific period of time, say during the last 10 years. The change can be expressed in two ways: in terms of an absolute number, in terms of percentage change per year. Now, how do we get absolute number? Absolute number is the magnitude or the actual size of the growth of population. Now, it can be obtained by simply subtracting the earlier population from later population. For example, population of 2001 will be subtracted from that of population 2011. So, if the result is positive number, the population has increased. If it is a negative number, the population has decreased by that number. This is how we calculate absolute numbers. That is, absolute number is one way to express population change. And how do we obtain? Simply by subtracting population of later day by population of earlier days. Now let us see, how do we obtain population change in a place? Now when you look at the total population, it refers to the birth rate, death rate, and people move in and out. Population change can be obtained by number of births plus number of in-migrants minus number of deaths plus number of out-migrants. In-migrants are the people who come to the place, where we can also call them as immigrants entering the population, and out-migrants or immigrants leaving the population or people who move out of the place. If the numbers are positive, it means population has increased by that number. A negative number shows that it has decreased by that number. So here you can see the population, birth rate and immigration increase the size of the population. Death rate and immigration decreases the size of the population. Birth and immigration add individuals to population. Death and emigration removes individuals from population. So the second way to express population change is as percentage change. Now for which we need to examine the birth rate and the death rate. Birth rate is the number of live births per 1,000 persons in a year. Example, in 1992, the birth rate in India was 29. This means that for every 1,000 people living in the country during that year, 29 live births took place. The same year, 1992, the death rate per 1,000 person is 10. That is, 10 people died during the year 1992. So, birth rate is 29 minus death rate 10, that comes up to 19. So, 19 people for every 1000 was addition during the year. So, when we express this number as percentage, it will be 1.9%. Hence, we say that the population growth rate was 1.9% for the year 1992. The rate or the pace of population increase is important. This rate of population increase will be percent per annum. For example, if the rate of increase of 2% per annum means that in a given year there was an increase of 2 persons for every 100 persons in that year. This is referred to as annual growth.